Pop.
Yeah.
I'm going to take the kids down to the basement. They'll be safe down there. Mom can watch.
Ruth has Jenny down in the storm shelter. Now, you all be careful, okay?
Yeah, you too.
All right, sweetheart.
Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Chief Martin, we have a problem.
Taylor, hey, are you okay? You hurt?
No, I'm fine. I brought somebody else in. I'd love to help. Can I help somehow?
Well, I don't know. How to fix a generator? Head of maintenance. Knocked unconscious by the tornado.
Oh, you're kidding. Dead generator. That's just what we need.
I think I can bring it back to life.
Really? Mm-hmm. Really? Come, this way. Hey. What am I supposed to do without you?
Live. Be Lily's daddy. To make sure that he's happy and safe. But most of all, make sure that he knows how much his mama loved him every day.
I will. Right after I tell him how much I loved you. I can't do this. I can't let you go.
You don't have to. Because soon we're gonna be married, and I'm gonna live in your heart. Forever.
You have lived in my heart since the first second we met. Babe.
No, I'm here. I'm here.
Are you okay? What can I do for you? Are you in pain?
We don't have time to find a minister, JR. We have to get married. Now.
Have you seen Zach? Is he okay?
Yeah, he saved me and then he took off.
And where is he? With Kendall? And how are the boys?
The boys are fine. But Kendall's in surgery, Bianca. With no power.
But the hospital must be equipped to handle emergencies like this.
Better be.
We need the power back on.
Can you hold the light steady, please? I need to see. Steady. See, this fragment is way too close to the MC.
Patient's heart rate is up and her pressure is falling.
I need a clip. There's too much blood.
Martin,
Hey, what are you doing?
Stop.
Can't get a good visual.
What are you doing?
Blood.
You operating on my wife in the dark?
Somebody get him. Zach, leave.
Dr. Martin, we need to take care of this. You need to give her more
Listen,
blood.
hold on a second. I think I see it.
You see what?
I think I see it.
Her DP is dangerously low.
Okay,
Jake!
I got it. Hold on. No.
Jake,
No.
what's happening?
She's in sinus rhythm. It's weak, but holding.
I give her more blood, discontinue the nitro. I have your consent on this surgery.
Not like this, you don't. You're in the dark here.
If we wait, we could lose her. She could die. Okay, so do me a favor, leave and let me do my job.
Is she okay?
She's alive.
Thank God. Come on.
It's not broken. You want to try it manually?
Nothing. You thinking batteries?
Maybe we should jump it.
I got those portable jumpers out in my car.
Oh, I'll get it. I'm the runner. I'll get it.
You should. All right, it's the black SUV out in front of the ER.
Black SUV.
You have sensation and full range of motion, but I want you to see a hand surgeon as soon as things calm down, okay?
I'm fine, Mom. Really.
You're a doctor, Frankie. Your hands are everything.
I have bigger things to worry about right now. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's been a long day.
Tell me about her.
Beside the fact that she's 19 years old and allergic to penicillin, I don't know much.
What did Dad say? I mean, who is she? How long has he known about her?
Your father had another family, Frankie, with a woman he met when he was on the run. Now, up until 9 months ago, I believe this girl was living with your father.
And that's when he came here?
Because of you. You were so sick.
But when I got better, I mean, this other family, did they just let him go?
I don't know.
Gosh, this is unreal.
I saw them together.
Yeah, me too, at the comeback bar. Except for Dad said he was helping her out with some legal issues. He lied to us, Mom.
To protect you.
How's Kendall? Did they stop the surgery?
No, they're still going.
What, with generators or something?
Nah, they got tons of flashlights. She's holding her own.
She's gonna be fine. Here, she needs you.
You okay? Oh, come on, Erica. You are in love with me. Go on. Just admit it. It'll make you feel better. Okay, I'll start you out. I
Detest you.
Hey, do you remember the last time we were at the beach with Emma?
I do. Actually, she had me build that monster sandcastle, huge moat and everything.
Yeah. You know what she told me when we got home?
What?
She said that our apartment was like a sandcastle. Because every time we were all together, she felt like a princess. Princess Emmeline.
Hey, we're gonna be okay. All right? Emma's gonna be okay.
Let's find our daughter.
Okay. Come on.
What if
If
he's already...
If Adam's alive down here, we'll save him. Won't be able to call me a worm then, will he?
Pete!
When the night is long and dreamless, and the winds of time blow through, when I feel the space between us, I think of you. For love's a thing we live for, but it's not a thing we choose. So as long as I have air to breathe and dreaming left to do, I will think
I don't know where to start.
Just say whatever you feel. Whatever's inside you.
What's inside me? It's you.
It's a great place to start.
First time I saw you, I can remember everything. The smell of the ocean, the way the air felt, the sun and the masts of the sailboats. Something was about to change. And what do you know? There you were. You saved me, babe. These eyes, these lips, this heart. be a better man. Well, at least the strength to try, anyway. And it took me a while to get there. But I did. We did.